Hi, I'm Jen Bankard, Director of Content Solutions and Conferences for the BTN Group, and I'm excited to announce the launch of our Business Travel Procurement Virtual Workshop Series. The newest addition to our already diverse lineup of more than 30 conferences and events held every year, this weekly workshop series promises to deliver direction and insight for optimizing the sourcing of your organization's corporate travel program. Whether you're new to travel or you just want to brush up on your sourcing skills, these interactive workshops will give you the opportunity to connect with and learn from your peers, leveraging the roundtable technology of our virtual event platform. Now, I know we've all been experiencing a bit of webinar fatigue, so I promise these workshops will not be your typical sit in front of the computer and listen virtual events. We're incredibly fortunate to have some of the industry's leading consultants serve as workshop faculty, and many of your travel buyer peers are already lined up to serve as leads for the roundtable activities. Plan to join us every Wednesday from 12 to 3:30 Eastern, March 3rd through April 7th. You can register for the entire series or the individual workshops of your choice by going to the Business Travel News website. Please don't miss out on this great opportunity to learn, network, engage, and grow, and I hope to see you there.